didn't have to feel so lonely. It'd be so nice if I could sneak you for a moment. I know you like to get away, go away, far away, to a place where it's just us two. I got a busy day every day, but not today, 'cause I'm here to take the stress from you, so you can just feel and clear your head and let me do everything for you, 'cause you deserve it. Prepare your meal and make your bed. Well, let's just first make this with you and see what's so worth it. I just want us to go, drop everything and just go. I just want us to go, drop everything and just go. How would you like to sail away in the Bahamas? Just you and me, girl. So far out in the sea where nobody can find us. To the end of the world, 'cause there ain't no rush for you to come back and face the rain. 'Cause there is plenty sunshine where I'm taking you, and I'm here to reduce the pain. I know you like to get away, go away, far away, to a place where there's just us two. Got a busy day every day, but not today, 'cause I'm here to take the stress from you, so you can just chill and clear your